€3 for these beautiful strawberries. I already ate a lot of them.
They're so sweet that it's not even funny. You can have the whole box.
Don't mind if I do. They're juicy.
Yeah. Caramel nuts.
Ben, do you want your watermelon already or not yet?
No.
We're driving to Valencia now. We got a 4-hour drive. Got our snacks. Paid €40 for this entire bag of food.
40 euros? Why do you guys call it euros?
Because it's like a gyro.
That's what they use.
Say bye-bye, Barcelona.
Bye, Barcelona.
Mary Poppins bag. You wanted some grapes or no? Why is everything so juicy?
Give it to Tata.
Do you want the bread? Did you like that?
I don't want no more bread.
Put this here.
Dad,
Stop
like,
feeding me garbage.
Would anybody eat the bread?
Gay pride, I like that. Gas station.
So put that there.
We'll give it to the birdies later, okay? No, eat it. Okay, no cheese. Oh look, inside out. Anxiety.
You're gonna run out of memory this week. You will have no memory to take pictures in Poland or Switzerland.
I've already deleted some.
You just keep it rolling.
Mama, this watermelon is busting.
It's not sauce?
What's that mean?
Suspicious.
Sauce?
Philippe,
So,
no cap?
no cap.
Fill the watermelon juice. Why?
Look, they're
Okay, enough.
busting.
Want some nuts?
Still recording.
Yes! Shut up!
Okay. Open this or you need to do video? Start moving?
Yeah.